Hello everyone, we are together again to continue learning mathematics. The unit is whole numbers. Whole numbers. Mathematics. Mathematics. Standard 8. The unit is whole numbers. Whole numbers. In our last lesson, we learned how to read and write numbers in words. Today we want to move on and learn how to read and write numbers in symbols. Symbols. How to read and write numbers in symbols. So, I want you to note down one point, very important point. Write this one down, a very important point. When a number is given in words, we can write it in symbol or figures by adding the total value of its digits. By adding the total value of its digits. I repeat, when a number is given in words, how do you write that number in digits or in symbols? Digits or symbols. We are learning how to read or write numbers in symbols. How do you do it? When a number is given in words, we can write it in symbols or figures by adding the total value of its digits. Example. Well, let's take an example. Write 271 in symbols. Write 271 in symbols. How do you do it? Very important point here. Let us answer this question. Answer. Write 271 in symbols or in figures. We do that by adding the total value of the digits. So we start with the total value of 200. You come here and write 200 is written as the total value is 200. Then we have 71. 271. So we have 70 is written as total value of 70 is 70. Then we have 1. So we come here and write 1. So this will be equal to, the total value here is 1. These are the total values. So we need to add these total values to get this number in symbols. So we come here and get the total, which is 271. 271. 271 is the number written in symbols. These are symbols for 271. Let's take another example. Write 6 million and 6, let's try 1,000 first. Write 6,000, 6,782, 782. The answer, this number is in words. How do we write it in symbols? 600, I mean 6,000. You come here and write 6,000. 6,000 is written as 6,000. 6,000, followed by 700. Come here and write 700, can be written as 700, followed by 80. 80. This one here, 80. 80, written as 80. Then lastly, 2 is in ones. 2 is written as 2. So these are the total values of the digits. Then we add the total values. We add the total values. Add. These are total values. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Okay? 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. Then 6. So this is 6. You can see this is 6,782 in symbols. These are words, these are symbols. These are words, these are figures. That is example number 2. We'll have another example in millions. This one was in thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Write 3 million. Write 3,200,200 and 4,000, 204,600, 661 in, write this in symbols. Write 3,204,661 in symbols. So the answer here, we first get the total values, then we add the total values. So here we have 3 million. 3 million, the total value is 3 million. Then 204,000. 204,000. So we have 200,000. Then again we have 4,000. 204,000. I want to be very careful here. 204,000. The total value, we write it as first 200,000, which is written as 200,000. Then there is this 4,000 and 4,000. So here we write, come and write 4,000, written as 4,000. So the second bit here, 200 and 4,000, we split it into two. We take the 200,000 first, then we take the 4,000 next. 200 and 4,000. 200 and 4,000. Is that clear? Yes. After that, we have 661. 661. So we come here and write 600, written as 600. 600, 600, 600 and 61. 600, we have written 600. Then we come to 61. So this is 60, 60, written as 60. Then we have this place value of 1. Okay, 1, 60 and 1. So we come here and write 1. 1 is written as 1. This is the symbol for 1. Is that clear? Yes, it's clear. These are the total values. Then after total values, we add the total values to get the number in symbol, in figure. So we come here and add. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. 0 plus 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 3 plus nothing here is equal to 3. It's nothing we are adding. It's just space, right? So the answer is 3,204,661. Read as 3,204,661. That's how you write that in symbols. This is writing. I want us to read together. Let us read together. Read after me. 3,204,661.
661.
Louder, louder please, louder, much louder. 3,204,661.
661.
Very good. That is how to read and write numbers in symbols. We have learned today how to read and write numbers in symbols. I've shown you how it's supposed to be done. We have done together 3 examples. Now it's your turn to practice. I want you to go and work out these exercises from your book, pupil's book, page 2 and page 3. In our last lesson, we did together exercise number 1. You did exercise 2, question 1. In this lesson, I'm giving you exercise 2, but number 3, go and do number 2, exercise 2, number 2, then number 3, number 4 is write in symbols. The first one is 880, you write in symbols. B, 4,555, you write that in symbols. C, 32,061, write in symbols. Then attempt question 6 and question 5. Thank you for being a good student. Thank you for doing assignments. Thank you for attending lessons. And I wish you all the best as we continue with our series in mathematics for Standard 8. As I promised earlier, we have all the videos for the 14 units in this book. 14 units in this book we have covered in our series at Manifested E-Learning Forum. Bye-bye, and let's hope to meet in our next lesson, where we'll continue with our unit whole numbers.